Hola amigos, today we're going to be making dairy-free rajas con crema. Now the Spanish word rajas means strips, and in this case it's referring to poblano pepper strips. And we are going to fire roast them over an open flame on your stove, or you can also do it under the broiler setting or in the air fryer. And then you're going to put them in a bowl and cover them to let them sweat so they're easier to peel off the charred bits. Now we need some crema. The word crema means for sour cream or creme fraiche. In this case, of course, I'm using dairy-free, and I'm using my own recipe that I make with almonds. And of course, I will link that in the description, and it's so easy to make. But if you don't want to use homemade, you can use whatever your favorite dairy-free crema is. And then now the poblano pepper should be ready to peel off, and to peel off all the charred bits. Do not do this under running water because you're going to strip away all those delicious oils. Now once you're done peeling away all the charred bits, you're going to remove the stem and the little core where all the seeds and the veins are. Just remove as many seeds as you can, and then you're going to slice them into thin strips. Now you can go lengthways if you want, like how I'm doing here, or you can go across widthways. It doesn't really matter. It's whatever your personal preference is, and also like what you're going to use them for, or how you're going to eat them. I'm sorry. But it's so super simple to do, and I highly suggest do not skip this step, because this is what helps. Fire roasting is what helps poblanos like just have that delicious flavor. If you just use them raw, they're just not going to have that punch, that flavor punch. So then you're going to heat up some oil, and once that's hot, you're going to add your white onion, and then you're going to salt it just to add flavor and help draw out the liquid from the onions. And then you're going to add the garlic, minced garlic, and just like cook it for 2 minutes. Do not let it burn. Just keep stirring. And then you're going to add in your raja strips. And just cook them for a few minutes until they warm through and like really mix them in. Then you're going to use corn. Now you can use fresh corn on the cob, which is in season during the summer months and autumn months. But if not, you can use canned corn, frozen corn, whatever you'd like. And I like to season it with some bouillon powder. This is completely optional. You can add whatever seasonings you like, some garlic powder, some onion powder, some cumin if you'd like that smokiness. Then you're going to pour in your crema. And because this is homemade crema, I needed to cook it a little bit longer just to thicken it up. And now it's ready to serve. Now I love it with some frijoles de olla and also some warm corn tortillas, but you can enjoy however you'd like. The full recipe is in the description and the recipe card on my blog. Enjoy, amigos.